Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard-filled croissants. We'll embark on a delightful culinary journey, crafting these exquisite pastries from the ground up. You'll learn the secrets to achieving a perfectly flaky, buttery croissant dough, along with a luscious, velvety, smooth custard filling. This process involves careful steps, from preparing the dough and its many folds, to cooking the rich cream, and finally, baking them to golden perfection. Get ready to create a truly impressive treat. Creating the croissant dough is foundational for that signature flakiness. We start with a basic mixture, then the magic happens with lamination. This involves carefully encasing a cold, firm butter block within the dough. Through a series of 3 to 4 distinct folds and chilling periods, we develop hundreds of ultra-thin layers. Each fold is crucial, ensuring the butter remains separate from the dough, which ultimately yields that irresistible, airy, and crisp texture after baking. Patience is truly a virtue here. The heart of our croissant is the rich, velvety custard filling. This delightful cream begins with fresh milk, vibrant egg yolks, granulated sugar, a touch of cornstarch for thickness, and pure vanilla extract for exquisite flavor. The key is to gently temper the egg yolks with warm milk, preventing any scrambling. Then, we cook the mixture slowly, stirring continuously, until it transforms into a thick, luxurious, and pipeable consistency. Allow it to cool completely before filling your croissants for the best results. Now for the exciting finale, assembly and baking. Carefully shape your well-rested, laminated dough into the iconic croissant crescent. Once shaped, pipe a generous amount of your chilled, creamy custard into the center of each. Next, allow these beauties to proof in a warm, humid spot for about 1 to 2 hours until they've visibly puffed up. Finally, bake them in a preheated oven at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until they are gloriously golden brown and wonderfully flaky.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.